seems that we had an opening and we can just get you in for your second hearing exam right now. Does that sound good? Do you have the time to make that work? Perfect. Great. So, just like the eye exam, I need to take some notes here. So, after our last hearing exam, did you have any immediate bleeding out of your ears? Okay. Sure, and how long did that last? That was on a Tuesday? Okay. And you saw strange lights when you were going to bed? Okay. Sure. Okay, and after the test, did you have any loss of hearing at all? Okay. Sure. Yeah, no, that's fairly common. Okay, perfect. And, did you have any dreams about elves? No. Okay. Well, hey, this is a good thing. Okay, perfect. That should wrap up the notes that I need. Now, this is going to be very similar to your first hearing exam. I'm going to place 3 types of headphones on you. Each type of headphone is going to distort your audio field in a certain way. And then I'm going to ask some questions. I'm going to ask you to repeat some things. And I'll get you out of here super fast, okay? Sounds great. Okay, so just a moment. So right here, we actually have the first headphones that I need to put on you. And they're very, very soft. Very, very soft. So, let me just get these on you. Don't be alarmed if your audio field is distorted in any way, okay? Here we go. Okay. Okay, and, can you hear everything okay? Okay, perfect. Now, just like your first audio test, I'm going to ask you to repeat some numbers, okay? 22, 37, good, 46, 45, look similar. You've seen them before. Just very, very simple headphones. And I'm just going to put these in your ears now. Just like before, it's going to distort your audio field, and we will run through the same types of tests, okay? Are you ready? Good. Okay, let me just get these in here. And
just because your results have come back inconclusive and a little irregular, I'm going to continue to take those here, okay? So, just repeat the numbers that I
last test here will be with the first set of headphones that we used. The only difference is the end of the headphone here will be plugged into a different audio transmitter, which will produce a different field of sound for you, okay? Are you ready? Are you sure? Okay, here we go. And there. How does it sound? Okay. Time for some numbers. 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, 32, 32, 32, 32, 32, 32, 32, 32, 32, 32, 32, 32, 32, 32, Very good. Very good. Okay. That seems good enough. Let's move on to some words. Okay? Again, I need you to just repeat these words at the quickness and intensity that I say them to you. Fair enough? Good. Okay. Kumquat. 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 Pine tree. Pine tree. Okay. Repeat it. Repeat it back to me. Okay. Pine tree. Pine tree. Pine tree. Pine tree. If you can hear me, if you're getting this message, I need you to get out of the state. You need to run. You need to go far away. I know you've probably guessed that this isn't